In this video, I'll show you the truth about the Hidone Denture Set. We'll look at the product, check out real reviews, and decide if it's worth it or a total scam. The Hidone Denture Set is advertised as a quick fix for missing or uneven teeth. It claims to give you a natural smile instantly without needing a dentist. But here's the catch. Reviews are mixed. Some say it works for photos or short-term use. Others say it feels like flimsy plastic, doesn't fit right, and looks fake. As you can see here in the photo, the product is super thin and clips over your real teeth. It's not a real denture. It's more of cosmetic shell and not made for chewing. So is it a scam? Technically, no. It does arrive and it does something, but the results are very limited and it doesn't deliver on what most people are hoping for. If you are looking for a temporary smile for photos, it might do the job, but if you want comfort, durability, or a real bite function, skip this and see a dentist. Hope this helped you decide. Thank you for watching.